Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So, as we spoke not yesterday, but on Friday, we have this massive zone of weekly support that we're in, and you can see those two levels. So we did get a rejection bar. Oscillators crossed over. We're just above the 150 EMA at the moment. It's not enough evidence to say to me that we are moving up. So this is, you can almost say, top of range or top of triangle on the weekly. There's our triangle there. So no real structure just yet on the weekly, not with that weekly price action bar that we got on Friday. And then if you look at the daily, nothing really different, just a very small it's nothing. It's not an inside bar. It's not a piercing pattern. It's nothing. The only thing that's constant here is the downward trend over the last couple of days. So when we get down to the time frames we're looking to trade, you can see a downward trend there. But as I said earlier, on Friday basically, this does look like a flag to me, but obviously we want a break of that flag to the upside and a retest before we start looking at it. So when you look at this on the 3 hour, I can actually just delete the flag because it's actually got zero influence on us, and we basically ranged most of last week. So we need to break either to the upside or the downside here, and we're in amongst the moving averages, which is another indication of a range. And when we get down to the daily, the 1 hour, it's even worse. So I'm not interested in this at the moment. We need to get above this range before I start looking at this, and that is going to be what it has been pretty much for the last couple of days, 109.350. So we need to break 109.350, come back and test it, and then we're on our way to 10,000 or 1.1. should we rather say, and that is a big psychological level, and it's all the way up there where we tested it on, what was that, Monday? Yeah, so last week Monday we tested it, so that's kind of where I would expect us to head. So for me at the moment, this is a clear sit in hands. Don't even try and engage with this until we break the structure to the upside. If we do break structure to the downside, I'm not going to jump in that quickly, purely because we are above the 150 EMA here on the 3 hour. So I'd be a little bit hesitant to jump in short with that kind of structure, and especially with this big move that we had as well. Okay, anyway, so sit in hands for